So today one of my local customers came by and brought his '06 E350. It has one of my fuel tanks in it. He's been using this thing pretty hard. We're gonna do a quick walk around video of it and kind of show it to you. All right, we're taking a look at a customer's '06 6-liter full build out. This started life as a Quigley. Now he has Alcan rear springs in it. Custom rear bumper, storage box, traction mats, full exhaust on it, all the good stuff. Did a full build out on the interior, which is pretty sweet. Can't beat that. Really nice to use, great for camping. But one of the best things about it that he's added lately, Hanko Fab custom fuel tank. Clears the transfer case, 45-gallon capacity. But yeah, pretty sweet rig. Anyway, that is the customer's rig. That's kind of an overview of his build. It turned out awesome. He's been loving the tank. You know, 45 gallons of fuel comparatively to his 28 gallons that he did have. So definitely stay tuned. I'm going to be doing an overview on customer builds, kind of like a video series. So stay tuned for that, and appreciate you watching.